Sometimes always here we are watching the action all the time. Watching the action. I want to manage this. Let me sleep. I don't have food now. What can I do? I will just sleep. Nobody sleeps in my bed now. Oh. I'm a victim of abuse, discrimination, and exploitation. Being an orphan is not a crime. Being a street kid is not a crime. It's all because of this pandemic called AIDS. It has killed my parents and left me alone with no one to look after me. Is that the reason why people call me mad? Is it because I cannot afford nice clothes that you call me mad? Is it because I spend more time lighting on walls and corridors that you call me mad? If you want me to stop, then rent me books and pens. I will stop. Life is really tough. People are rough. But one thing, my children, AIDS is real. People get infected every day. People get affected every day. And people are dying every day. My children, rise up and make a difference. Teach people about AIDS. Let them stop all forms of abuse. My children, make a difference. Bye, my children. Bye. Bye.
Mother, where are you? I need you. Please come back, mother. Oh no, was I dreaming? Oh, poor me. Who killed my mother? The only thing I remember is that everyone was crying that my mother had passed away without any scratch, but only slimming. But why? Years ago, Papa was buried, and now my own mother is no more. How am I going to make a difference? How?
I just want to tell you, living this way, life is changing. Believe me, oh people, I once had been living like a queen. When my mother and father with me, but they came like a tiger down one day, claimed all my parents that same day. When death comes to you, rolling like a tiger, take care of your life like a fighter. This world is full of pain. Little love is what we receive in this world.
Yes, we are the victim of abuse, discrimination, and exploitation.
We are squatters in our own lands. Our hands are bare. We have nothing to offer. You and me should make a difference. How can we make a difference when we are rejected by society? Long ago, things were not so. Unwanted pregnancies and diseases were avoided. Boys and girls are alike. It was online. For they both were created to be shaded. We too can make a difference. Dad, the question is, how can we make a difference when we are rejected by society?
We should go back to our own customs and child will be left on the streets. By acting together, we can win.
Yes, by acting together, we can win. We need your support for us to make a difference.
AIDS does not choose whether rich or poor, young or old. As long as the virus has entered your body, then you can catch AIDS. I went to America, I went to Europe, I went to Asia, I went to Shanghai, but the story is the same. AIDS is a disease which has no cure, but there's only prevention. Prevention is
One man, one woman. No sex before marriage. Abstinence is the only solution. If you can't abstain, then use the condom.
Let us help people in need, whether infected or affected. The government, NGOs, and churches must work together.
Together!
We can stop stigmatization.
Together!
We can stop discrimination.
Together!
We can fight and conquer AIDS.
Together!
We can make a difference. We shall fight and conquer AIDS. We shall never